Hey, good evening, everybody. I'm going to do a demo on getting some performance monitoring going on, um, or for our applications that are hosted on the Google Cloud platform. I've done a couple things in the background. I've got a VM up and running. I've got some code for an application hosted on GitHub that I'm going to pull down. Let's see where we are here on that. Okay. I've installed Docker. Um, Updated our OS. Right now, I'm pulling down and pulling down those containers and creating volumes on the VM. Then we'll install our Golang code or our Golang um, application. Install Golang, sorry, and Git, and we'll um, pull down our Git repo. I'm going to pause this while it installs Go. Oh, it's already done with those containers, so I'm going to install Go here, and that's going to take a few minutes. So I'm going to pause this while this installs. I also queued up in there the installation of Git and a Git clone of our application. So I'll be back in a couple seconds here. To you, a couple seconds, but to me, a couple minutes. Okay, I'm back. This is still going, but while this is finishing up, I'm going to create our YAML file for Prometheus over here. Obviously we just have that YAML file, the Docker script that we pulled down from the convenience script from Docker to, install and configure Docker on the machine. It hasn't pulled our GitHub repository down yet because Golang's still installing. I'm gonna pause again while we wait for Golang to install. Okay, I've got this all installed now. Let's make sure it actually pulled that down. Yeah, okay, it did from GitHub. CD into my directory for my project, and there's our main.go file, and I've got an HTML template with some static images in there too. So we're just going to go ahead and run this. Go run main.go. That's going to put up our web server. Let's see if it's running yet on port 8080. Queued up some windows here. That's the external IP of our cloud VM, and yeah, there it is. There's our nice form for our travel prediction model here that we're going to use in our final project. So web server's running. Now we'll go to we'll go through the process of getting the Prometheus application up and running. So we will run that container we pulled down here and use the YAML file to configure. All right, so that's on 9090. We'll refresh this guy. Oh, it already did it for us. We can add CPU. Why not? We can see the cumulative time the CPU's been up and running. We can look up bytes. Add that. Whatever. Okay, so this is running. It's kind of crude, but we're gonna use another application that sits on top of it called Grafana. So we got Prometheus running over here. We got our web server running there. So I got another terminal here we can dedicate to Grafana. And likewise, run that container that we pulled down. Head on back over to our browser, which again I already queued up at port 3000, which is I instantiated that application to. Um, Default is admin. We're gonna get in. I guess you can skip this. Get out of there. First thing we got to do is add the data source, but I think this will, yeah, it'll coerce you into, since we don't have one already associated, we'll have to, get that data source, and we're using Prometheus again. Um, where's it? There we go. Save and test. All right, we're up and running. Close this down. New dashboard. This one's a little fancier. You can, you know, add multiple metrics here. So let's do CPU, total seconds, run. Since we have an HTTP server we're running, we can get some of those. Oh, where are we going? Wow, this is not great. Where'd my scroll bar go? All right, total requests, run. All right, so we're getting a bunch of, additional kind of, not telemetry, but data coming back from the web server here. I think there's bytes here. Oh boy, shortcuts. Bytes, sum, run. All right, so that'll be that top red line up here. And we're going to just test our application, I guess, see if we can get some data sent in. Got some really big integers. That should help us. And refresh this guy. Whoa. Did I not save that? Well, that stinks. Problem in getting more, I guess. Hitting it with more queries or posts, I guess. Oh, it's actually it should be posting. Yeah, so I didn't disable the uh, building of the post to the Vertex AI endpoint, so it's got that code still printing to the. Right now, I've just got it printing to the console, so that's what that's doing. I forgot about that. Let's go back over here. This should be. Where's my web page? There we go. Oh, I've got some form validation in here. We can't put empty fields for income and age. 58. Oh, that's response. Total requests. Run. There we go. Yeah. You can see them kind of growing in there as we made them. I guess we're at 20 requests now. You can kind of see them stair stepping there. Bloop, bloop, bloop. That'd be the. Should plateau here. Anyway, I guess that's the kind of demo of some performance monitoring for our application Yeah, I used the project application that I was going to use here just as a demo. Um, so yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys set up on your end, and we'll talk to you next time. Take care.